Dear students, today I am going to talk about computer networks, that is type of networks. You know that computer network is a collection of interconnected computers and other devices to share data and other resources. Resources means hardware and software. The types of network, you know that there are 4 types of networks. First one, PAN, personal area network, LAN, local area network, MAN, metropolitan area network, WAN, wide area network. The first one, PAN, personal area network, it is a small networks and its distance up to 10 meters and connected to computers, laptops, mobiles and other IT enabled devices to share your files, videos, images, etc. And this is the structure of the personal area network. That figure is given. Therefore, through that network we can connect computer, printer, modem, smartphone, etc. Next we have to study about local area network. LAN actually it is a privately owned computer network covering a small geographical area. That means in the school or in a campus, college campus or in the universities. Therefore, here we can use LAN. LAN can be set up using wired media or wireless media. You know that wired medias are coaxial cable, Ethernet cable and optical fiber cable, and wireless medias are radio wave, microwave and satellite. And through the LAN also users can share data, programs, printer, disk, modem, etc. If a LAN is set up using guided media, then it is known as wireless LAN. That means through the radio wave or microwave we can also set up a LAN, that is known as wireless media. Here is a figure of LAN, that is two building here, building A and building B, both contains a LAN. Therefore, these LANs all we can set in a building or in a school or universities, etc. Then next third type of network is metropolitan area network, or we can say MAN. MAN usually interconnects a number of LANs and individual computers. All types of communication media are used to set up MAN. That means either guided media or unguided media. The example for MANs are multinational corporation, or we can say MNC, or the cable television network. This available in the whole city. Therefore, in these are the examples of MAN. The figure of MAN also given here. Therefore, here in a city there are so many buildings and offices, all these are connected through that MAN. Then the last one is WAN, wide area network. You know that over a large geographical area across countries and continents we can use WAN to interconnect several other types of networks such as LANs, MANs, etc. Therefore, in a city there is sometimes that is a MAN or LAN. All these LAN, MAN are connected to set up a WAN. Use common carriers like satellite system, telephone lines, etc. using here. And network of ATM, bank, government offices, international organizations, offices, etc. All types of communication media, either guided or unguided medias, are used here. And one of the well-known example of WAN is internet. and the figure of WAN also given here. Therefore, the whole country or the all continents, the computers are connected through WAN. Next here some differences between all these types of networks also given. Area, the parameters used here, per area covered, network cost, transmission speed, error rate, network devices used, technology, media used, etc. In the case of PAN, small area is used, that is up to 10 meter radius, but in the case of LAN, a building or campus up to 10 kilometer, and MAN, a city up to 100 kilometer radius. But in the case of WAN, entire country or continent or globe. Then second parameter, networking cost. In the case of PAN, it is negligible. In the case of LAN, inexpensive, but in the case of MAN is expensive and WAN very expensive. And transmission speed is very high in PAN, and also LAN it is very high, moderate speed in MAN but low speed in WAN. Error rate is very lowest in PAN and also in LAN also lowest, but MAN moderate and the WAN highest. Then next parameter is network devices used. In the case of PAN, WLAN, USB, dongle, these are the network devices we can use. But in the LAN, we can use LAN or WLAN, hub or switch, repeater, modem. These devices are used in the LAN. But in MAN, router and gateway can be used. And in WAN also router and gateway can be used. The last parameter is technology or media used. The media used in PAN is infrared or Bluetooth. Media used in LAN is Ethernet or Wi-Fi. And in the case of MAN, optical fiber, or radio wave or microwave. But in last WAN, microwave satellite. Some review questions also given here. What is the geographical scope of LAN, WAN, MAN? And what is WLAN? How is different from LAN? What is the difference between MAN and WAN? Which of the following are not communication medium? First, optical fiber cable, 2, microwave, 3, radio wave, and fourth one, LAN. Therefore, this is the end of types of network. Thank you.